In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use Cash App with a VPN, especially if you're living outside the USA or UK, where the app isn't officially available. Many people run into the problem of Cash App not appearing in their app store, but with the right steps and a VPN, you can easily get it working without any issues. The first thing you need is a reliable VPN, because Cash App only works in supported regions. A good VPN allows you to switch your virtual location so the App Store or Play Store thinks you're browsing from the US. I recommend NordVPN because it's fast, secure, and works extremely well for accessing region-restricted apps. I've added my NordVPN link in the description so you can try it out at a great price. Start by downloading and installing NordVPN on your phone. Open the app, log in with your account, and if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up in just a couple of minutes through their website. Once you're logged in, connect to a server located in the United States. This will instantly change your virtual location and make your device appear as if it's in the US. Once NordVPN is connected, it's time to change your store region. If you're using an iPhone, go to your device settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Choose Media and Purchases, then tap View Account. After the page loads, look for Country or Region. Tap it and select United States. Agree to the terms and conditions, then you'll be asked to update your billing information. For the payment method, choose None. For the address, you can enter any valid US address. If you don't have one, you can easily search online for one. And for the zip code, something like 91101 works perfectly. Once everything is filled out, tap Next. Your Apple Store region will now switch to the United States. If you're using an Android device, open the Play Store and go to your profile. Tap Settings, then General, then Account and Device Preferences. Under Country and Profiles, select United States. You may need to add a US-based payment profile, but you can use the same method of entering any valid US address. Once your region is switched, open the App Store or Play Store and search for Cash App. It should now appear normally. Go ahead and download it. After installation, open the app and you'll be able to sign up or log in just like a user in the USA or UK. Just make sure your VPN stays connected to a US server every time you use Cash App from outside those regions. This avoids errors and prevents the app from blocking features due to location restrictions. And that's it. Now you know how to download, install, and use Cash App from anywhere in the world, simply by using a VPN, like NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and makes the whole process smooth and reliable. I've added my NordVPN link in the description so you can try it out at a great price.